Hello all, welcome to our channel. Any particular one business like laptop sales and laptop servicing, laptop rentals, anything, they can promote in business purpose. One of the best option name is called Instagram will be selected here. That is called Instagram Reel. So compared to the Instagram post, Reel will be reaching for more audience. There's a particular option will be here. So selecting particular Instagram Reel option, the size will be 1080 by 1920 pixel. So selecting the video will be here and selecting the original size. Click for next. What are the content you will be publishing here along with phone number, everything. Click for next option and add your particular content. What are the content you will be publishing here? Copy this content. Here link will be only working. Remaining nothing will be work. So we can add your particular phone number into this. First priority will be here. So that is called I'm changing this will into add your click for share. They can easily contact the based on the content and they're uploading for reels and they're increasing the audience on the particular reel option. So follow these guidelines and increasing the reels on your Instagram account, get customers on your business purpose. So those upload by the videos onto the tracking will be done and easily they will be contact onto the particular option will be here. So those options are working for the properly upload the content and they will identify the business on your particular option. So same like that, you will be promote the each and every reel. The reel we can check with here and how many views and everything we can checking from the this particular option. Any new channel is taking some time. So that is called which is will be going to trending time. We can add in for particular future. Most of the things when adding the video time, one thing will be don't forget. When you click here, we can tag into any customers, which is the customers are here. The customer will be tagging to the particular, here is the option. So those taggings will be helping to this reaching the more audience will be here. So if any about Instagram reel doubts and clarifications, please contact our channel. I definitely will be supportive. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.